make the supporters proud. FC चितवनलाई गोल चाहिएको छ भने यस टुर्नामेन्टमा बाँच्नको लागि बुटवल लुम्बिनीलाई पनि गोल चाहिएको छ। अन्तिम 12 मिनेटमा केही न केही अवश्य हुनेछ। This pass to Victor Mansari on the overlap run. We have that man, the number 10, Yusuf Malik. He tried to go alone. यदि हामीले numbers of defenders बुटवल लुम्बिनीको तर्फबाट देख्न सक्छौँ, even Manish Tangi every time FC चितवनले अट्याक गर्छ उनी पछाडी पुगि नै हाल्छन्, डिफेन्ड गरि नै हाल्छन्. They know they cannot afford to lose the match today. Nodoy on the run with the move. Tariq Zebrin सँग फेरि पनि Zebrin, that left footed shot, and what a beautiful goal. We know that magical foot he has. He is the excellent midfielder. He is one of the best players in NSL last season as well, and he is proving out to be one of the best this season as well. What a crunch goal, and Deep had no chance at all. That left-footed control, he just made the way, paved the way, and the powerful shot. It's been coming for Chitwan. Tariq Zebrin, outside the box shoot. Look where the ball has dropped, right in front of Deep Larky. निकै कठिन हुने गर्दछ गोलकिपरहरूलाई यस प्रकारको शट. There you go, Tariq Zebrin on the score sheet from Ghana with love all the way to FC चितवन. र यतिखेर चितवन शहरमा उमङ्ग छाएको छ भनेर हामीले आशा गरेका छौं. It has released the roof here at the Shatangashala. Look at the spectators going wild. What a goal this by Tariq. One of the best goals so far. Definitely one of the best goals so far. Deep, oh my goodness, he tried his best. तर जुन प्रकारले Tariqले प्रहार गरे, it was simply bounded to be a goal. A 1-0 lead after the 90 minutes. That's 90 plus 2 minutes. जहाँ FC चितवनले अग्रता लिन सफल भयो. Now they need to defend this lead.